For years, it's been the undisputed king of the skies. The F-35 Lightning II. The most advanced, most expensive, and most powerful weapons system in history. The crown jewel of Lockheed Martin, accounting for nearly a third of its entire revenue. It was a titan, seemingly untouchable. Until yesterday. In a move that sent shockwaves from Washington to Wall Street, the Pentagon announced a plan to cut its 2026 order for the Air Force's F-35 in half. Just like that, a pillar of American military might, and Lockheed Martin's balance sheet, was put on the chopping block. This is the story of that decision. A story of betrayal, of a strategic pivot that could reshape the future of warfare, and of a corporate giant now fighting for its most important program. And for investors, it's a story that asks one critical question: what do you do when a sure thing suddenly isn't? Let's start with the immediate fallout. The moment the news broke, Lockheed Martin stock, ticker LMT, went into a freefall. The stock dropped over 6% in a single day, wiping billions from its market value. Why such a violent reaction? Because this wasn't a minor trim. The Air Force, the F-35's biggest customer, was projected to buy 48 jets. The new plan? Just 24. The Navy's order was slashed too. For Lockheed Martin, this is a direct hit to its revenue engine. But this story isn't just about one company's stock price. It's about a fundamental conflict brewing inside the Pentagon. So, if the money isn't going to the F-35, where is it going? It's being funneled into the future. The Pentagon is shifting its focus to the next generation of air power. We're talking about the brand new F-47 stealth fighter, the winner of the top-secret Next Generation Air Dominance Program, or NGAD. We're talking about fleets of AI-powered collaborative combat aircraft, drones designed to fly alongside manned jets. The Pentagon is essentially making a bet. It's betting that the future of air superiority isn't just about having the most expensive, exquisite fighter jet. It's about having a mix of advanced platforms, some cheaper, some unmanned, all connected. And to fund this future, the F-35, the hero of yesterday, is becoming the sacrifice of today. But the story isn't over. This budget proposal is just that, a proposal. It has to go through Congress. And the F-35 has powerful friends on Capitol Hill. Lawmakers from states with Lockheed facilities, where thousands of jobs depend on this program, are not going to let it go down without a fight. This sets up a classic Washington showdown, the Pentagon's new vision versus the political and industrial reality of today. And Lockheed Martin isn't just waiting to be saved. They're fighting back. Their CEO has already pitched a radical idea, a supercharged F-35. Take the existing jet, load it with the cutting-edge tech developed for the NGAD program, and deliver 80% of the next-gen capability at half the price. It's a bold counter-move. A way of saying, you don't need to replace your hero, you just need to upgrade him. So, what does this all mean for you, the investor? It's a crossroads. On one hand, the uncertainty is terrifying. The company's main product is under attack. But on the other hand, analysts are saying the stock might now be undervalued. The average price target still suggests a potential upside from here, with most brokerages rating it as a hold or moderate buy. And then there's the geopolitical reality. Just this Friday, as tensions flared in the Middle East, what happened? The market went down, but Lockheed Martin stock rallied. It's a stark reminder that in a volatile world, defense stocks are often seen as a safe haven. This story shows us a company facing its biggest challenge in years. A moment of weakness, a fissure in its perfect armor. But the question is, will this crisis break Lockheed Martin, or will it force them to innovate, diversify, and emerge even stronger? The answer will determine the future of the company, and potentially, the returns in your portfolio. This is more than just a stock story, it's a lesson in how power, politics, and technology collide to create risk and opportunity in the market. What do you think? Is this the beginning of the end for the F-35, or is this a temporary dip before a major comeback? Let me know your take in the comments. If you want to understand the stories behind the stock movements, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. Stay smart.